So the good news is that Shea Homes has released their second community called Novato Homes in East Ventura, located near Wells Road and Telegraph. The homes will range from over 2,000 square feet to nearly 2,800 square feet, with prices starting at $895,000, making these an attractive option for those looking to upsize their living space. Today's video, we will look at the newly released homes that has 6 different plans to choose from. The complete build-out will include 144 homes, and the first phase has an expected move-in date of October to December of this year. Hi, I'm Harold Powell, a local real estate agent serving Ventura and the surrounding communities. And if you want to stay up to date on all things real estate for Ventura and the surrounding communities, I suggest hitting the subscribe and bell icon to be notified of future content. Now, a quick side note is that Shea released its first community of 114 townhomes called Primero at Del Sol in May. The townhomes consist of 3 and 4 bedroom and 2.5 to 3 baths, ranging from 1,600 to 1,900 square feet. And if you want more details, you can watch my video on East Ventura, Shea Homes, Ventura, new construction. Now, Shea does have one more community of 95 single-family homes that will be released soon called Fresco at Del Sol. Now, the square footages here will range from 2,900 to 3,500 square feet, and prices are expected to start somewhere in the low $1 million range. The 3 communities are part of the Master Del Sol community, which includes parks and a common pool and spa area. The community fee will run about $160 a month during the development phase and expected to decrease to $95 a month once the development is completed. Now, if you are considering new construction, I suggest watching my video on buying new construction 7 tips. So let's get to the 6 different plans that were just released. Now, to make it easier for you, I'm including a link in the description below with each of the plans and layouts. Most plans have different exterior styles to choose from, which can range from Spanish, Craftsman, Coastal, or Monterey. Also, I should mention that the first phase has 5 properties being released, which consists of a Plan 1, Plan 3, and 3 Plan 4s, and it will have an expected move-in date of somewhere between October to December. So here are the 6 different plans. Plan 1, which consists of a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that's 2,067 square feet and a 2-car garage, and it's starting at $895,414. Now, this price includes over $35,000 of upgrades, which are also provided in the link below. Much of the upgrades are also found in the kitchen and bathroom areas. On this plan, all of the bedrooms are upstairs with a den and powder room downstairs. Now, each of these plans has a backyard courtyard area that will vary in size and typically accommodates a modest outdoor entertainment area. I also noticed that all the plans have a convenient upstairs laundry space. Next is Plan 2. Now, there is no model available to view for Plan 2. It is actually similar to Plan 1 with, again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2,043 square feet with a 2-car garage. Now, the difference between this plan and Plan 1 is there is no den downstairs, but has a loft upstairs. The other difference that I could see is that the courtyard is smaller on this plan. There is no pricing available on this plan since it is not included in the first phase. Now, moving on to Plan 3. The on-site model showcases a Monterey style architecture, and the plan features 3 bedrooms and 3 baths with anywhere from 2,230 to 2,246 square feet of living space and a 2-car garage. Now, this plan is being released in the first phase for $922,355. This plan comes with over $42,000 in upgrades, and you'll find that this plan offers a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs. The open layout has a great flow between the kitchen, dining room, and great room areas, while create a bit of distinction or separation between these areas. There is an option with this plan that allows you to convert the upstairs loft to a 4th bedroom and add an additional sink to the upstairs hall bathroom. So instead of just having 2 bedrooms upstairs, you could have 3 bedrooms upstairs and a full bedroom downstairs as well. Again, the courtyard area is also modest in size. Next is Plan 4, which features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2464 square feet, and as a 2-car garage. One of the features that I was happy to see while taking a tour is the fact that some of the lots will have oversized lots available to purchase. Now, if you go to the on-site Plan 4 model, you will actually see an example of an oversized lot, which will come with a lot premium price. The actual lot premium will vary depending on the size of the lot. Now, in this first phase, there are 3 Plan 4s to choose from in either coastal, Spanish, or craftsman style. Prices start here at $972,015, while the one offered with a lot premium is actually $999,799. The upgrades range from $42,000 to $47,000. So prices will vary on upgrades and or lot premium. The downstairs layout with the kitchen, dining room, and great room is a more continuous flow from space to space. Like Plan 3, it has a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, but it is tucked away towards the back end of the house rather than towards the front. Now, the big difference between Plan 3 and Plan 4 is that in addition to the 3 bedrooms upstairs, it also features a flex room and a loft space, which may be an attractive to those who want to work from home remotely. Plan 5. Plan 5 features a 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths with 2802 square feet, and instead of a 2-car feature, it actually features a 3-car garage. This plan is not offered in the first phase, so there will be no pricing available as of yet, but I was informed that it would likely be offered in the low $1 million range. The downstairs layout is similar to Plan 4, with the flow of the great room, dining room, and kitchen area running into a continuous flow, but the size of the space is definitely noticeably bigger and grander than Plan 4. Now, there are a few other differences downstairs. The backyard, courtyard dimensions seem to run a bit deeper here, since it does have a 3-car garage that does widen the required footprint. Now, if you are looking for a larger downstairs bedroom that could accommodate, say, a king-size bed along with its own ensuite bathroom, then this may be the plan for you. Because additionally, there is a powder room for guests to use downstairs. And upstairs, in addition to the 3 other bedrooms upstairs, this plan has an option to convert the loft into a 5th bedroom space. So this plan has a retreat off of the master bedroom, and the retreat is really another flex space that could be either used as an office den or, as featured, a workout room. The other noticeable difference between this and some of the other smaller plans is the primary bathroom size and walk-in closet size. It's much bigger and grander in size. Plan 6. Plan 6 was actually my personal favorite. It consists of a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and is 2,855 square feet of living area with, again, a 3-car garage. This plan is also not offered in the first phase, but was, again, told likely to be offered somewhere in the near future for the low $1 million range as well. Now, the downstairs layout of this plan is similar to Plan 3, with more separation between the kitchen, dining, and living room areas, but again, on a much grander scale. So the layout seems to wrap around the backyard courtyard area to give a little different feel than the other plan. Like Plan 5, it has a bedroom downstairs and bathroom downstairs, but doesn't have the additional powder room downstairs. Now, what is different upstairs from the Plan 5 is that each bedroom has its own bathroom, 2 of which are ensuite bathrooms, and the other is located just across from the loft area. Here again, the primary bathroom and walk-in closet space is noticeably bigger than the smaller plans. Now, I thought I'd share just some pros and cons with you if you are deciding between the Novato Homes and a typical resale in East Ventura. Now, what I noticed for the cons for the Novato Homes is parking. there doesn't appear to be sufficient driveway space to really park outside the garage. So if you use your garage for storage, then you'll need to use the street parking, which may be very limited. Where as a typical resale home will have its own driveway, in addition to on-street parking, it may also have RV parking as well. Additionally, the yard space is significantly smaller than what you would find in other resale homes in East Ventura with similar square footage. Lastly, there are no, obviously, single homes being offered. The pros is that you will typically get more square footage for similar or less money than in other East Ventura resale homes, that is maybe in the early 2000s. The other obvious pro is that you are getting something that is brand new with brand new finishes versus something that is, say, 20 years old. Now, if you found this video helpful, I suggest hitting the like button. Thanks.